Hello friend, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the area under the curve. We take example 8. AOB is the positive quadrant of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, in which OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B. Then find the area between the arc AB and chord AB of the ellipse here. Now solution of is ellipse x square by A square. We take the ellipse now. This is the ellipse, and standard equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is ellipse, and equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square b square is equal to 1. Here AOB the positive quadrant. This is the positive quadrant. OAB, this is a positive quadrant of ellipse in which OA is equal to A, and OB is equal to B. Then find the area between the arc AB, A and B. This is the arc. This is the arc AB, and this is the chord AB of the ellipse. It means that we have to calculate the area of this part, in this case. Now, for the area of this part, first of all, we calculate the area under the curve A, under the curve arc AB, this total area, and subtract area of triangle OAB. Then we get the required area of this. So that required area of, in this case, required area equal to area of OA OABO minus area of this part. This is just like, this is a triangle and a right angle triangle, so that area of right angle triangle OAB. Now area of OAB, for this we take the strip dx. This is perpendicular to this, and dx, and the area of this is 0 to A, and y dx. It means that with the help of this area we have to calculate under this curve and ellipse minus area of right angle triangle 1/2 base into height. base into height here. In this case, area under this curve, so that y of this curve, we calculate y of this curve here. This is y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. And y equal to b square comes here, b square here, a square minus x square divided by a square. Now this is a y square, so that y equal to b by a, this is b by a under root a square minus x square. So that this curve is y equal to this, use here 0 to a, y equal to b by a under root a square minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 base into height. Base is this OA, OA is A, and height OB, OB is equal to B, A quoted 1 by 2 base and A into B here. Now B by A comes here, B by A and B by A and integration of a square x square dx. We use the formula integration of under root a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2, a square by here, a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Integration of this is a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Now here integration of this x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 here sin inverse x by a. Integration of here lower limit 0 and upper limit a minus ab by 2 here. Now in this case, putting the value of b by a, this is, and putting the value of a, upper limit a, in this x replaced by a, so that this is equal to x a by 2 under root a square minus x equal to a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a and a by a by a minus putting lower limit here, lower limit x is equal to 0. In this case, x is equal to, putting x is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, and in this case plus a square by 2 and x is equal to a by a 1 sin inverse 1. It means that this is equal to 1 and pi sin inverse 1 and pi by 2 here, because sin 90 degree equal to 1. Now minus ab by 2 here. Now this is also equal to 0. This is also equal to 0 here, and this is a square by a square by 2 here. b by a, this is equal to 0 plus a square by 2. This is also equal to sin inverse 1 and pi by 2 pi by 2 minus pi a square by 4, pi a square by 4 here, minus ab by 2. Now pi a square by 4 and multiply this pi a square by, this is a pi a square by 4 minus, and this is a pi a square by 4. Now here in this case, putting upper limit a and lower limit 0, x is equal to a, this is this term minus lower limit x is equal to 0, this term is 0 and x is equal to 0, sin 0 means 0, so that a square by 2, this is 0 and these terms will be equal to 0 minus ab by 2 here. Here a square minus a square equal to 0, this is a square by 2 and sin inverse 1, that is equal to pi by 2 here, and minus ab. Multiply this, in this case a cancel and pi ab by 2 to the 4, pi ab by 4 here, minus ab by 2, minus ab by 2 here, so that pi ab, we take the common ab by 4, so here pi and 4 here, so that here 2 and ab by 4 pi minus 2 square in it. This is area of the card, AB and arc AB. This sided area जो है, this is our answer. Now here question number 9. Find the area enclosed by the x-axis and y is equal to x minus 2 and x plus 1. Here solution of this. Now this is the x-axis, x dash, and this is the y and y dash. Y dash. Now find the area enclosed by x-axis, and here this putting y equal to x minus 2 and x plus 1 at y is equal to 0, at y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 0 where x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2, 1 and 2 here. This is a 1 and this is a 2 here. Now curve will be x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 here, and x is equal to minus 1. Curve comes here, in this case minus 1. This is a minus 1 and also comes here. This is the x-axis and this is our curve, so that y is equal to x minus 2x plus 1. Multiply this. This is our curve. At y is equal to 0, putting at y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. It means that our curve passes through 0, minus 1 and 2 here. Now we test here. We test at x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, putting in this y is equal to minus 2. It means that at x is equal to 1, our curve comes here in downward, and x is equal to minus half. Putting this is a 5 by 8, and minus half 5 by 8 here, minus half of 5 by 8 positive, so that curve comes in the upper side of our x-axis, so that our curve passes through minus 1, 0 and 2 here. Now find the area enclosed by the x-axis, and y is equal to this x-axis, and this area and this area, total area, so that total area this and this, so that required area equal to 0 to 2 here, and we take the strips perpendicular at the x-axis dx, so that y 0 to 2 y dx area of this, and this is minus 1 to limit 0 y dx area of this part, so that with the help of this area is this by this part, and this is area of this, so that putting y equal to x cube minus x square minus 2x, x cube minus x square minus 2x dx, and y is equal to this. Now integrating x cube, x to the power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x to the power 4 by 4, and this is a x to the power 3 by 3 minus 2 into x square by 2 cancel, this is equal to minus x square, and limit 0 to 2, and y is this integration, this in this case limit minus 1 to 0. Now putting the x is equal to 2 in this case, x is equal to 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 by 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 by 3, and 2 to the 4, and minus x is equal to 0, all parts are 0 here. In this case, putting x is equal to 0, all parts are 0 here, minus putting lower limit minus 1 here, in this case minus 1, that is 1 by 4, and this is a minus 1 by 3, that is a plus 1 by 3, and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 here, minus 1 here. Now as you know that area always positive, so that this is 4 and 4 cancel, minus 8 by 3, we take the positive part here, this is a 0, and taking the LCM 12, 4 3 is 3, 4 and minus this. Now this is a positive part 8 by 3 and plus, in this case 4 and 3 7, 12 minus 5 by 12, minus plus 5 by 12, and this is a, and 12 is LCM here, 3 4 is 4 8 is 32, and 37 by 12, this is 3 right 1 by 12 square in unit. This is our answer here. Now we take another example. Now here question number 10. The area of the region enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 2, which is not common to the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to x and the straight line equal to y equal to x here. Now this is the circle x square plus y square equal to 2. It can be written as the standard form x square plus y square equal to root 2 to the power 2. By comparison, this radius of this circle is under root 2, so that this is under root 2 here, radius is this. Now Now required area equal to required area, in this case not common to the region bounded by the parabola bounded by the parabola and straight line, so that we have to calculate the area at this part, so that we calculate the total area and subtract the area under the curve this and add to this area. We have to required area. Here area of the circle pi r square, pi r equal to radius under 2 chi square, and limit 0 to 1 y dx here y is equal to under root x, and add the area of this portion 1/2 base into height. After integrating this and solving, we get the 1/6 12 pi minus 1. Answer will be third here. Now like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.